Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Gaming Basics. In today's tutorial video, I'm going to show you how to add a Roblox gift card. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. If you want to add a Roblox gift card, then you must first open up your Roblox account on a web browser, since you won't be able to add a gift card via Roblox app. Open up a web browser from your mobile device or your computer and make sure to log into your roblox.com account. Once you're logged in, from the main homepage, tap on the hamburger menu located at the top left. From the expanded options, tap on the gift cards button. Now, at the upper right hand corner, you'll be able to see the redeem button. Give it a tap and enter the code that is available on your gift card in the text box. You can also enter a virtual item or promo code below in this text box. Make sure to enter your gift card information correct and tap on the redeem button in order to redeem or add a gift card on Roblox. That is how it can be done. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.